Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks so much for stopping by the Whimsy YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a product reveal on this awesome new pocket slimline die set, and all together this set has 10 pieces in it, and it is going to make a pocket along with a flap, and it has several accessories that go along with that. And the main die is the pocket portion, and this is stitched as well as scored so that you know where to score or to bend the flaps over to create the pocket. And then there are several accessories for the pocket that you can use to emboss the stitch lines in two different patterns. And those are these two dies. And then to make the pocket, all you're going to do is sometimes it helps to score with your score tool, but I just folded these over and that creates the pocket. And then as well included is this flap, so that has stitch lines on it as well as a score line. And you're just going to fold that top flap at the score line, and that will go onto the pocket. So you can use the pocket with or without this accessory, but you would just glue where that flap is onto the back. And then there are several other pieces, a scalloped edge and a straight edge, that can be used with that pocket to do a little bit of layering with the dies. And these pieces can be used together to layer, or they can be used separately, each on their own, just tucked under that flap. So you would adhere those pieces together. And then there are several little pieces. There's a bigger button, a smaller button. There's a little tab that's kind of hard to see, but it says XOXO stitched into it, and then a heart. And so here are two other projects that I made. This first one is for a boy. I have used several of Whimsy's products to do this. And basically what I created was a pocket for an invitation for a baby shower. So I made one for a girl and one for a boy. I went ahead and printed these pieces out on my computer and sized them so that they would fit in the pocket. But this die set is so super adorable. And this is just one example of the many things that you can do with the die. So it's great because it's really versatile, and that is always something that I love in my products, to get more bang for your buck. I hope you enjoyed this product reveal. All of the products that I used for these samples will be listed below. Don't forget to check out all of the other product reveals of the new products released. There are some awesome things coming out. And thanks so much for stopping by. I hope to see you next time.